Hey guys, I am so excited because today we have an Mcobeauty haul. I know, I feel like I'm always doing Mcobeauty hauls, but I'm so excited. I bought all of this stuff from Big W because they've recently released like a limited edition collection like that's exclusively at Big W, and it's called Candy Shop, and I'm so excited. My plan for today is I'm gonna like do a haul today, and then I'm gonna do a video like in a week or whatever, and like testing out all of like the little candy shop things. So yeah, let's get into it. I did get some things that weren't in the candy shop collection as well, but majority of it is. So first thing that I have here, this is like this is one of their little travel packs. Now I have a little sneaking suspicion that this might be a dupe of somebody else's travel pack. So we have a mini little, I need my scissors, let me open this. I also haven't seen these anywhere else apart from Big W, so I don't know if this is a Big W exclusive thing or what. But anyway, we have the number 1 black plum and vanilla body wash cream gel, which, oh, I can smell it through there. It smells so incredible. Then we have a mini little fragrance mist. And then we have a mini little brightening body cream, which I'm so excited because I love this scent so much. It smells so good. I'm excited to have like a body wash of it and stuff as well. So that's really exciting. This is a dupe of the, I think it's Chorosa 68. I couldn't be 100% sure. It's the Bombe de Bright one, I think. So yeah, really excited about that. Okay, this is from the Candy Shop collection. This is the Sugar Body Scrub in the scent Coconut Dream. So excited. I love a good body scrub. And then I've also got one in Vanilla Oasis. Now, I didn't get all scents and everything. Like, they still have so much more on the website that I didn't buy. So make sure to go check out Big W if you want to see, like, what else they have. Because I kind of bought, like, one shade of, like, each product. Or, like, one scent of each product. But they have heaps more. I think they had, like, a pineapple one or, like, something else of the body scrubs. This is just from their normal collection. This is the Makeup Grip Set and Refresh Spray, which I'm so excited about. I think this is meant to be a dupe of the Milk Makeup one, so I'm really excited about that. And I've also got the primer to try out as well. I bought that at the chemist the other day. It says set and refresh with this makeup locking magic mist. I got one of the overnight lip masks in strawberries and cream, which I cannot wait. I think I have to open this one, honestly. Let me smell it. I'm really trying hard not to open any of this stuff because I want to like do a dedicated video to actually like smelling it all and everything, but I just need the guts to know. Packaging is so cute. This is meant to be like one of the, like a dupe of the Laneige ones. Okay. Oh, okay. How cute is it? It's got a little swirl in it. I have definitely smelled that scent before. Where? Probably like on a lip smackers or something like that, but oh, it smells so nice. Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso. Is that what they used to say on Dora? I probably didn't say it then. But you know the little backpack when he eats everything? He's like, yum, yum, yum. Delicioso. My Spanish isn't very good. So there's that one. Then I also got Rainbow Gelato, which I feel like it's just going to smell so good. I wish I opened that one instead and smelled that one, to be honest. And then I also got one in Caramel Frappe, which I feel like is also going to smell amazing. So excited to try those. Guys, I literally did not need any of this, but I'm such a sucker for cute packaging and nice smelling things. Like, okay. I got some of these Galaxy lip glazes. So I got 3 of them. So the first one that I got was the Moon Dust, and Moon Dust is the scent Clear Vanilla, and they look cute. They've got all these like little things in them, I don't know. Then I got Supernova, which is pink strawberry. Then I got this one, which I had to open today because I just had to know. This is called Milky Way, and this is purple grape, and it smells so good. Could eat it. I'm kind of upset because the last one's called Stella, and that's orange peach, which sounds really nice, but I didn't buy that one. I didn't know the shade, like the fragrances online. I only knew it after I bought them, so anyway. I got one of the Cheeky Kiss lip and cheek cream. This one is in caramel and it says it smells like chocolate. So that'll be fun to try out. I got the Dessert Dream Tinted Lip Glaze. This one is in the shade Butter Cookie. Yum. I'm really hoping it smells like Biscoff. And then I got one of these Jelly Jam lip glosses in Lemon Grapefruit. Which, do I already have one of these? No, I've got a jelly gloss, not a jelly jam. At least I don't think so anyway. I don't know. But yeah, so this one's in Lemon Grapefruit. Like, just how cute is the packaging? How can you not? Like, you know? I got... This is the Pop Gloss Super Balm in Grape. I feel like this is meant to be a dupe of like, I don't know, I feel like I've seen something like this before. But yum, I just love grape, so. I got 2 of these Ultra Glow Slick Lip Oils. I got one in Lemon Meringue and one in Blue Sprinkles. Like, I just feel like they picked all of the most appealing sounding names and decided to choose them, so. It's not my fault. It's Mcobeauty's fault that I bought all this stuff. I got 2 of these lip smoothies, I think. So I got, these are Lip Smoothie Fruity Lip Glosses. I got one in Tutti Frutti and one in Pomegranate. And don't they just look so nice? So cute. Then I got this little honey lip oil, and this is meant to be the, is it Glossier? No, it's not. It's, I actually don't know the brand that does the honey lip oil, to be honest. But anyway, this one's in the scent Fairy Floss. I got another one of those Swirl lip glosses. This one is in Vanilla Sponge Cake. Yum. Oh wait, maybe I didn't get, maybe I only got one Swirl lip gloss. I don't know, I got so many different things. So yeah, I got a Swirl lip gloss in Vanilla Sponge Cake. Then I also got a Perfect Pout lip liner in Very Shelly. This is meant to be a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury one. And this is like in their normal collection, not the Candy Shop one. And then I also got the Honey Lip Balm in the scent of Fairy Floss, and this is it says it smells like honey. Why is it called Fairy Floss then? I'm so confused. Anyway, that's how that looks there. So I'm so excited. I got so much stuff, and all of it was like 40% off. This cost me like less than $200. I did order a couple of other things that got refunded because they must have been sold out or whatever, so that's fine. But I'm genuinely so excited, and I cannot wait to film a video trying out all of this stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!